We're following closely the spate of violence in Indonesia in the context of nationwide demonstrations. We stress the importance of dialogue to address the public's concerns. It is also important that the media is permitted to report on events freely and independently. The authorities must uphold the rights to peaceful assembly and freedom of expression while maintaining order in line with international norms and standards in relation to the policing of public assemblies. All security forces, including the military when deployed in a law enforcement capacity, must comply with the basic principles on the use of force and firearms.